Welcome. In this video, I'm going to explain to you the Shopify pricing. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. So Shopify's true cost right here consists of monthly subscription plans. You could also change this one to yearly if you want to. You also have payment processing fees and the app overhead costs, okay? Understanding how these expenses interact is critical to predicting your actual monthly expenditure. Now let's talk about subscription fees first, or the base cost. Your base subscription covers your hosting, SSL or SSL security certificates, core checkout functionality, and basic support. If you want to opt in for a yearly billing cycle, this one reduces the baseline monthly cost by up to 25%. So 25% of $25, that's the yearly cost. Okay, so that's just basically it. Now, if you want to know how to choose a Shopify plan, we have a separate video for that. You got to check our channel out. But let's slightly talk about payment processing and transaction fees. Okay, so if you're using the native gateway from Shopify, you only pay standard credit card processing rates. For example, you have subscribed to basic rate here. That will be 2.9% plus 30 cents per online transaction. Now, if you have Grow or the Grow plan, you will be charged 2.6% plus 30 cents per online transaction. Now, if you have here Advanced, you'll get deducted 2.4% plus 30 cents per online transaction. Now, if you are trying to use third-party gateways, okay, for example, you have bypassed Shopify payments to use an external provider like PayPal or Stripe, Shopify right here imposes an additional platform transaction fee on top of the gateway's processing fee. And that would be 2% extra fee if you've used the basic, 1% extra fee if you use Grow, and 0.5% extra fee if you have the advanced plan. I hope that's clear. Okay. Again, on top of the Shopify payments, you'll add those percentage. Now, there you have it. That is Shopify pricing explained. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.